Thursday, March 14th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. I'm meteorologist Matthew East here with you. Some chilly weather back with us. There's been some mountain snow at times over the past 24 hours, and it is a cold 11 degrees right now in Banner Elk, and it's pretty much teens and 20s across all of the mountain locations this morning. Still some snow flying at the time I'm cutting this video. And let's take a look at the Greensboro Tower camera there aimed toward the Greensboro Coliseum, where the ACC tournament gets underway today. First game is at noon. Right now it's pretty chilly, 32 in Greensboro, with a still fairly stiff northwest wind. Now on the radar this morning, mountain snow is never detected very well by radar, mainly due to the terrain, but there's still some areas of snow up there. A few flurries have actually drifted down into the far northwest Piedmont and the northern foothills, but nothing of significance. The accumulating type of snow has been confined to parts of the Virginias and down into the North Carolina mountains. Another little disturbance, though, up in parts of the upper Midwest. Minneapolis, one of the spots, seeing some snow this morning, and that could bring a little bit of additional snow to some mountain spots tonight, although a lot of the modeling has trended weaker and further to the southwest with that incoming disturbance. Pretty chilly out there this morning. There's your 5 a.m. temperatures, and certainly pretty cold overall. And there's still some wind stirring around in many spots too. There's the latest round of winds, and when you combine the wind with the current temperatures, there's your wind chill values this morning. 10 degrees in Boone, 21 the current wind chill in Greensboro as I'm cutting this video, 13 in Asheville, 26 in Charlotte. So yeah, it's a pretty chilly March morning underway. We'll have some pretty gusty northwest winds at times today. You notice here when you get into parts of the Tennessee Valley and the Ozarks, the Ohio Valley, there comes the precipitation with that next disturbance, and this is the Stormcast, the RPM modeling I've placed on this map. You notice it is not very excited about any snow in the mountains tonight, but I think there's the chance of at least a little bit, a few flakes flying. And then we get into some warmer weather over the next couple of days, tomorrow into Saturday, ahead of our next cold front. Now, here's the deal in terms of tomorrow. You'll notice the wind direction will kick out of the southwest for our Friday. Pretty breezy too, but those southwest winds will help to usher in some milder temperatures. So we're going to be warmer tomorrow than today, and then warmer Saturday than tomorrow. Let me show you some more on the modeling here. This is the European upper air chart, and again, you look over Iowa and Illinois, there comes that next little disturbance, but it isn't terribly impressive, and it again, in some modeling, it's a little bit further southwest than on some previous runs, so it doesn't look like an overly big deal in terms of any mountain snow with that one. And then you get out to next week, and this is Monday night, pretty good trough swinging on in, and that'll actually, on the European model, strengthen right along the coast and gives us some pretty chilly weather at times later on next week. Now let me show you what it looks like on the surface chart. Again, there's your precipitation in Kentucky, Illinois, Indiana, and Tennessee this afternoon, and it kind of dries up on a lot of the modeling as it moves toward the North Carolina mountains. Now, tomorrow will be dry, and then here we go into Saturday. Cold front will drop our way from the north. It looks like maybe north of I-40, a couple of afternoon showers, a possibility on Saturday, and then as we get into Sunday, that's what it looks like on the European model. The GFS is more aggressive with the rain. I don't think, oh, maybe I did here. I did throw a GFS chart in there for Sunday. Once it loads for us here, there you go. This is actually Sunday night into Monday, but I think the general idea here is as we get into Sunday and Monday, that low will move to right about, that cold front rather, will move to right about there, and we'll have a cold air damming set up, albeit temporarily, Sunday into Monday. So on the European, there's what Monday looks like. You can see the evidence of that damming with the kinking of the isobars there, and that'll keep us probably cloudy with some showers at times Sunday into Monday, and cooler as well. And finally, there is Monday night. Main lows over the Great Lakes. The wedge gets scoured out as the cold front approaches, and we'll have a round of showers, maybe a few thunderstorms Monday night into Tuesday morning, and then again following that system, kind of chilly on the European model. And let me just show you what that system looks like very quickly on the Canadian. Very much similar to the European. Pretty decent low pressure in the Great Lakes moving into the northeast with a trailing cold front Monday night into Tuesday morning. All right, that is it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful Thursday, and God bless.